Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar. Hope you guys are doing well, hope you are fine. We will start in a couple of seconds. I'll just refresh this chat over there. So let's start with the webinar. So during the webinar, feel free to use the live chat. I can see both chats from those who will be watching me on YouTube and for those who are watching me live on TradingView as well. So during the webinar, anytime feel free to use the chat, ask me anything, what bothers you or any question that you may have. This is your chance to ask me now your questions. So for those who don't know me yet, I am a professional, consistently profitable trader with 12 years of experience and been a trading coach since last 4 years. So I'm trying to help people develop the consistency and develop a stable income that they can rely on, and of course become full-time traders, so they will be only trading for a life. So what I did on Thursday, yesterday, sorry, I have shared with you the payout. I'm trading with one of the prop firms with the FTMO, and my wife is trading with another one. This is the MyFX fund, so I'll just bring the share screen over there. So I share there with you the progress of this account. And if you go on my website, trademaster.eu, there you will find I have attached all the proven results where you can check what I did, how I trade, and of course you will recognize me based on those nice growing equity curves. You can see them, they are nicely growing with the minor drawdowns, so you can check all those accounts. They are real. You can check them with the link. Everything gets confirmed, so I'm consistently developing profits, as you can see. And this is the last payout that I have received. It was since yesterday. And as you can see from the trading account, so let me just open it and let's comment a little bit about that account. Okay, so if you go to this account and watch this equity curve from the account, you can see there are the 20 days of the sideways with not big drawdowns, but there was the sideways. And the problem there was that I was struggling a little bit with those emotions. I was traveling as well, and I was in the state of euphoria. So I had some small problems that I was struggling with, but I fixed it. Okay, so I fixed it, and then my account starts rising nicely again. But what was the point? During this period, I was sticking to my rules. I didn't violate any of them, and what I just didn't do was I didn't execute flawlessly. Okay, I didn't stick to every single rule. Okay, so maybe I was too fast in executing trades and so on, and there was just small mistakes which didn't give me a big drawdown. As you can see, there was just a small drawdowns, and after I recognized them, after I fixed them, the trading account started rising again. What is the point? This is the risk management power. Okay, maybe the typical traders, some beginners will blow up their accounts in these kind of periods, which are very, very important. But my drawdown was only 2%, 3.87, yes. Let's say 4% was the max drawdown that I had, and that's the point, which is the power of risk management. Okay, and what I do, I trade based on wave analysis. My strategy is to trade based on wave analysis. It's simple and it's based on visual. We are recognizing patterns and so on. We have the rules how we are executing the trades and so on. So if you go on my profile, probably those who are following me already, you guys already know from my results, this strategy it's more than a powerful. And if we go and talk a little bit the last published ideas, so you can see what I do. Well, I'm trading the impulsive movements. I'm not getting into trade in the corrective movements. Corrective movements are something that I don't like to trade. They are complex and I don't make a lot of money in the corrective movements. So based on that, I was always interested for these strong movements. Okay, so I want fast movements. Okay, and of course from the top of the downside as well, I'm interested because this is the fast movement. All right, and again another upcoming movement, it's setting up over there. So what is the point? That I'm always focusing on the impulsive movements. Those movements are strong, they are fast, and of course they are not based on any news. Okay, I don't trade on news, that's for sure. I only trade on visual for those patterns that are developing and consistently developing across the charts, and they gave me a consistent outcome. They gave me the consistent outcome, and that's why I rely on them. So if you go immediately check my results, you can see it's going up. Aussie yen, what it did, it went up nicely, so it's really amazing trade over there. USD yen, it's still struggling, still didn't start heading to the upside, but it will probably go higher. Who knows? We will see anyway. Euro GBP just extend and go a little bit lower. We still have to watch it. The trades hasn't been triggered over there. We didn't trigger any trade because there was no price action around the trend line. Okay, so we didn't trigger any trade. That's one of our rules. We don't just trigger trades based on structure. Okay, we don't rely on the structure. We have different rules, additional rules, which we are implying or checking before we are triggering the trades. Okay, so Euro Chief did very nice bounce off over there. As you can see, I took this trade. I'm still in this trade, and we'll see how it will plays out. Currently it's struggling over there. We have to keep an eye on it a little bit more. DXY, this is since at the beginning of this month. It went up very nicely. Okay, really nice trade. Now it's the time where we have to watch it. It will go a little bit lower, or it will start to bouncing back at the previous top. Okay, so we have to watch it. I will definitely watch it and see how it plays out. I have updated the charts and so on. And then of course Aussie Chief, for example. Many of you were asking me about the Aussie Chief. This is the trade that I took. I'm still in. It's playing out very nicely, but what is the problem? You should not lose your focus. You should not develop any fear once the trades are not moving or once they are in consolidation area for more upside. Okay, this is very important, to not develop any fear, to not over risk and so on. Okay, a bunch of stuff that you have to apply before getting into the trade. Euro CAD going down nicely. Okay, you can see everything. This is based on my wave analysis and structures. They are following nicely. This one went up, went for new low, break the low again, and then boom, went up more than a nice. We took definitely this trade. That was a money making movement. New Zealand gave us very nice profit. I developed very nice money on there. It was more than 1,000 pips over there. Okay, more than 1,000 pip movement was over there developed. Alright, so what else we are having over there? Where we were, pound New Zealand, yeah. Pound Aussie, let's see how it plays out. It went up nicely. Okay, so as you can see, this strategy is more than a powerful. Euro USD went up from the top as expected, went down, lose its momentum, and then now we are already buying it. Okay, so we are the buyers. I took a buy over there already this week. Okay, I'm a buyer, and we'll see how this will plays out. Definitely I do anticipate more upside on the euro dollar, on the pound USD. New Zealand Chief, what it did. Okay, we've been trading this one from the bottom. Okay, so I had the trades from there. I'm not in, of course, anymore. I took the profits already, went up, take profits over there, and took some sells over there. So this is my strategy. You can see the very nice examples of the strategy. It's visual strategy, visual edge, and it works pretty nice. It consistently gives me the money, so I'm not changing anything. I'm still sticking to it, and it's more than a powerful. Okay, so if you're interested to learn more about this strategy, if you want to develop this constantly driving equity curve, and if you are struggling with your consistency, feel free to join my team. I will take time and teach you about everything needed for consistently growing equity curves. So from the scratch to the end, we will be working together, and we will become consistently profitable traders. All right, so we have a couple. Please look at gold. Hi Wave, hi to everyone. Yes, we will watch the gold immediately. Just a couple of seconds. We will watch it definitely. And hi everyone on YouTube as well. Is your GBP ready for a buy, please? Yeah, we will watch those. Your GBP it's not ready yet for the buy. You are a little bit too fast. Don't get into the trade that early. Okay, we will go and take a look now on those charts that you are asking me about. But just to quickly remind you, for all those who would love to join the team and become full-time professional traders, if you decide to become professional traders, you can join us. You will get everything from the scratch to become fully profitable trader. And there is the discount currently going on, because I saw that a lot of you guys are willing to join the team, join my academy, but didn't have money. Okay, so it looks like this was too expensive membership, so I decided to give you the 50% of discount, and so you are now the prices are now affordable, and we'll leave this open for some time now. Okay, and as well for the monthly membership there is the discount of 70%, so feel free just to go to the website tradewithmaster.eu and find a membership that fits with you, and I will give you the access right away. You'll get access and we will start with your journey. Recently today I received one really good and positive inspirational message from one of our members. So he's the guy that he was trading before alone, and he decided somehow to join the team. He knows me in real life. We've been working before a few years ago. We've been working together, and he knows me, and he decided to join the team, join my academy. He was really passionate about trading. He's really good student. He's doing everything, and he's just nicely progressing with his trading. So today he shared in the general chat with every traders inside the academy that he's trading now 100k account. Okay, so $100,000 account. He's now trading live. He become now serious trader. So I'm really happy when I see this kind of the progress with people that decided to join us and decided to take trading seriously to become full-time professional traders. But what you have to do, commitment. You need to have the commitment. You have to be serious about this business, because this business is not for playing. Okay, this business is a serious business. It's not for someone who is just lazy, who don't want to do their work. And this business is just for someone who really decides to do its job. Okay, so let's answer now for those questions. Your GBP is ready. No, your GBP is not ready yet. Let me just check it. Your GBP, where is it? Over there. No, it's not ready yet. Okay, so if you can see, it's still struggling over there at the bottom. I really don't see anything currently as it stands right now. It will probably struggle a little bit lower. It can even drag back at the trend line, but now I will not do anything. I will just let it do whatever it wants to do. It could even correct over there and go for another leg lower, so do not get into the trade too fast. Okay, that could be the biggest problem. Okay, so make sure that you're not getting into the trade too fast. Let it do whatever it wants to do. It will give you the signs when it's ready to give you the trade. Okay, so what you can do, you can just watch it. If there will be any strong impulsive movement like it appears over there, you can start triggering the trade. Okay, so then you can watch for getting into the trade. Okay, so if you have this, if you don't have this, then you don't do anything. Okay, just leave it, let it do whatever it wants to do. You should not be worried, and just skip it and go to the next trade. Okay, very easy, you should not do anything. We've been watching the trade since there. Okay, it went lower. As you can see, nothing appeared over there, so we are just skipping. I'm not in the trade personally, Not yet in the trade personally, but we'll definitely watch it and see what will happen. Very clean analysis, looking to go long gold today NFP. Yeah, you can go if you have the edge to trade on news. You can do that, but yeah, I don't have the edge. I don't rely on. We have a different understanding of the market behavior. We don't watch market this way. Okay, that we have total another level of understanding of the markets. We completely ignore the news. That's what we do. We do not bother ourselves with any news because we fully understand that news are not real. These are companies that are putting those numbers for everyone, and it looks so realistic. Okay, people thought that those outcomes are realistic. They are reading long reviews and blah 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 and forecast and whatever, which is not real. Those companies who are putting out those analysis, those forecasts, are well paid companies, and this is what you have to understand if you would love to become a full-time professional trader. Okay, you should not be relying on something that's not stable. And once you understand that someone is really well paid to put those numbers out for the general public, you'll stop doing it. You'll immediately stop relying on numbers that will be displayed over there. Okay, just go into the very fundamental level of markets and you'll understand me why. Okay, I never met a trader who is making consistent profits with trading fundamentals. Never ever that will happen. Alright, we all are just relying on the real stuff, and we have the full understanding of the markets. Alright, so I would like to join too. Yeah, feel free to join us. You should add the link to the academy in the description, Chris. Yes, just give me the second. I will paste the link right away. I just forget it to post it over there. So here's the link for everyone. I paste it in the chat, so you can see the link now. You will see there my proven results. Everything is over there. You will find everything that you are willing to check. It's proven, it's verified, and just scroll around and you will see. Alright, so what I will be trading or what we are trading already, we are already trading the yen. Okay, yen is something that we are currently trading. So let me just go to the yen pairs. Let me just switch the screen. Yes, okay, I have a bunch of screens over there, so that's why I'm switching. It takes a little bit time to just scroll around. Okay, so yen, what I would anticipate is that this will still go to the upside. That's not the move, which is showing potential for more downside. It's too slow, and we are watching this as the buy setup. Same there, CAD yen, it's something that we are already in. I took the buy from there. We are getting higher. Now we will just see how the price will behave over there, what the price is going to do. It will probably not lose any momentum. Okay, it will still keep on dragging a little bit higher than it is. Oz yen, we took it over there. I took it there from the bottom. It was really nice risk to reward ratio. It's going, and I still do anticipate a little bit higher. Okay, at least I'm anticipating at least break of this top over there. So we'll be just holding the trade and see how it plays out. Chief yen, nothing currently over there. You can watch for more upside. Okay, any strong or impulsive movement you can buy. Okay, so you have to watch for something like this over there, and then you can go for another leg to the upside over there. Okay, so this is what I do anticipate. That will be either a chief movement or the yen movement. One of them will be guilty for this movement. Which one and what will happen, we don't care about really. And New Zealand yen, okay, this one is already trying to push higher. Okay, we have to watch it closely and see how it will go. And I really anticipate this one for another leg higher over there. Currently there are no signs of any reversal, so we'll just stick in the buy. Okay, we will not do anything. All right, I will just hold it. Okay, my buy is over there from the bottom. Euro chief, same there. I'm still in this bio, I'm not doing anything. I'm buying it from the bottom, okay, close to this bottom is where I was watching for a buy, took the buy, and I'm still in, and we'll see how it develops. Currently there are no signs of any reversals. Well, over there, Euro GBP is something that we already comment, nothing special over there. Pound Aussie, okay, it's going down, already in from the top. There is where I have entered, nothing to do. Okay, so if you guys are not in the trade, what you can do is just wait for this pullback in case if it will happen. Okay, so any pullback which will appear over there, you can get in after. Okay, so just keep in mind, after pullback you can get in, because what could happen, okay, and what's the biggest problem that the people are doing. Okay, so I've been working with a lot of traders, helped to a lot of traders become full-time professional traders. Is what they were doing, they wasn't aware or prepared on time. Okay, when the setup was developing, they were not prepared. They were having 9 to 5 jobs and they didn't have time to watch the charts. Once they come from their jobs, okay, they want to make a lot of money so that they can give up on their 9 to 5 job. Then they immediately jumped in with very small stop loss. What the price did, it just pulls back, took you out on stop loss, and then trade then goes without them. Okay, so that's one of the biggest problems that people are having, and you should not do this. Okay, so if you missed anything, okay, that doesn't mean the world will die or the world will stop. Just go and skip this trade, go to the next trade. There are a lot of opportunities developing on the market, especially in this industry. There is the unlimited opportunities on where you can make money, unlimited opportunities of accumulating wealth. Okay, so don't be stuck there with one single setup. Don't feel any frustration, don't feel any fear, because it's really not worth it. You should not do that to yourself. It's really bad for your career. Okay, don't do, just skip and go to the next trade. That's not something you should trade. Okay, so this is shit, okay, if we call it that way. You always have to wait for the pullback. So what I personally do, if I will miss it, I will just put it aside. And once I will see there is a nice correction that has appeared over there, and it met all the rules, it went slowly, correctively, no strong momentum, then what I will do, I will rewatch it and see if it is worth of taking. I will check my risk to reward ratio, and then I will come into the trade. This is where I will take the trade. Why? Because I completely understand that I can't miss the opportunities. If I missed it, then this is just not opportunity for me. Simple as it is. Before you will understand this, it will become easier to you. Okay? If you will understand that really soon, then the trading will become easier for you and the fear will start fading away. Okay? So always, what I always do, if you have some impulse and you missed it, you are not in the trade, okay, it's completely fine, it's good. What you have to do, wait for another correction. That correction should not be in the 5 minute, 1 minute, 1 hour, whatever you're watching. Watch for the higher time frame correction. Why? That's the answer. Why? Because the higher time frame corrections, once the higher time frame, bigger degree correction is completed, the chart will go stronger. Bigger impulsive movement will appear after higher time frame correction. This is what you have to understand. After every higher time frame correction, there is the bigger, stronger impulsive correction which you have to catch, or you should catch. Not have to catch. You should catch. If you don't, you then go again to the next trade. It's okay. Sometimes you have to watch some trades. Watch them from the educational perspective. Okay, watch them just for the educational perspective, and then you will start trading. Sometimes it's all it takes. Just watch it. That's not something bad. Okay, so let me just start going forward. Do we have any questions? No, not yet. Very clean analysis, looking to go long on gold today. Oh yeah, we already answered that question. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with the next setups that I'm watching. What else do we have over there? It's Aussie USD. Wonderful movement. So why we took the trade, or why I took the trade? I took the trade based on my wave analysis, as I have already explained you in the beginning of the webinar. This one went down, there it made a correction, it went down, break all those lows, then this looks like now a deeper correction. As we know, the charts will not go like this, never. Okay, never. The charts will not go like this. We took the buy because we anticipated this movement over there. So what we will do, we will be adding on more buy setups. Okay, there will be these kind of the corrections, and this is what you have to focus on. This is what you have to understand. Okay, once you understand those corrections, why they are there, how they are developing, when they are developing, and so on, you can be adding more trades into this long move to the upside. So what I anticipate that this will go pretty nice, pretty high. Okay, so we are over there. Okay, so and as we watch this from the higher degree perspective, what I do anticipate is that this is just one single impulse, and based on my strategy, this is 1 to 3 to the downside. This is just one correction. Okay, this is just one correction, and what we are going to do, we are going to repeat this move again. Okay, so as you can see how this move will be repeated very easily. This will then form some corrective structure and can go another leg lower, but this analysis is something that you can trade. It's too far away, you don't have that big account, so you will be capable of trading it. What you have to do, you have to recognize and trade the next upcoming move as we did over there. So we will be trading first this movement, then we will let this bigger correction appear over there, somewhere there, probably there it will be one bigger correction, and then we'll be again into this another part of the impulse. Okay, so it will be 1 to 3 movement again to the upside. So the lower you will go, the lower time frame you are using, the more impulsive and corrective movements you will see. This could be very distractful if you don't understand how to read that properly. Okay, so now you understand why I took the Aussie USD. That's what I do. This was the reasons for my buy over there. New Zealand USD, same there. Okay, I took the buy, same kind of the reasons. I'm now anticipating more upside over there, and as well Euro USD is going up. I do anticipate more upside over there. I don't anticipate that the NFP or any news will do anything strong over there, because patterns are still stronger. But if they do, in any case, I still have the protection. Okay, so I still have the rules for exit, but I don't believe in all those years. I don't believe into those magic moments. So USD Chief, another leg lower will appear over there. I do anticipate that this will break through the trend line. I don't think that this will go to the upside. Okay, so we'll be keep on sticking for more downside. USD CAD, this is where I'm selling. Okay, this is my sell over there from the top of the structure. My stop loss was at the top over there. I took it very nice profit. Currently I'm still watching it. I do anticipate that we will go lower, break all those lows. So if there will be any pullback, you can still join. Okay, so this will be the pullback, you can still join in case, and then we will go and break the previous low. That should be very easy over there. New Zealand CAD, same there. That's a nice structure over there. This chart will go higher, at least back at the trend line, so make sure you're watching it on time. Prepare yourself, prepare the setup, prepare your rules, prepare your risk management, and you should be trading this wave to the upside back at the trend line. Okay, and this is it. This is what I will watch in this week, nothing else. Okay, couple of trades, not week, sorry, in this today. And then of course Monday I will just continue with this kind of the setups. Nothing will be different until they will show the proper signs of reversal. Okay, so let's take a couple of questions, guys. If you love to know anything, I will leave the Q&A open for next 5 to 10 minutes, so if you have questions, just feel free to ask. I would just like to know, every one of you who are watching me on YouTube, let me know and use the chat if there are any bugs, because last time when we were doing the live streaming, people from YouTube were saying that there was some lag. Okay, there was some lags with the YouTube, so let me know if this is fixed or I should watch for the solution over there. Well, what I was trying to say is these pro firms are really good once you acquire the knowledge and skills for accumulating wealth. This is a really good opportunity to go with, but not before you will acquire all the skills that are needed to develop the consistency and becoming full-time professional trader. Can you check Aussie Cat? I think we did it, but yeah, I can. Why not? Where is it? Not this one. Aussie Cat. Come on, I don't see it. It's my camera, it's over there, so I don't see it. Aussie Cat, yeah. Nothing there, but if you're already in the buy, you can be, but if you are not in the trade, you have to wait for another deep correction. You have to wait for the correction, and then you will be getting into the trade. Don't get in over there, it's pretty dangerous. It's dangerous, and you don't have a chance of probability over there. Probability, it's very bad over there for buy. Depends what you're watching. I will not take the sell anyway. I don't see the sell over there. We'll be keep on sticking to the buy, because if you watch the bigger time frame, or if you watch on bigger structure, I still see there that could be impulsive movement. This could be the nice corrective structure which is completed, and it should go higher, and the bigger probability is for the upside. Okay, so bigger probability is for upside. This can break out anytime soon, so make sure you are in the right side of the trade. So I will leave open this chat for two more minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, then it's time for my lunch. I have to go for lunch with my wife. We are pretty hungry already, and we'll go somewhere to eat something. Okay, so for those who already joined, this is my account, so you can check my proven results over there. You will see everything placed over there. What we did, how we did. There are the links from the FTMO. You can check the account. Everything is over there. And of course, what I'm giving you currently for everyone for who was not affordable, this academy was discount. Okay, so currently I give you the 50% of the discount. So for all of those who decided to join and become full-time professional traders, just go to the website. You'll find the discounts over there, and of course there is the monthly membership as well, and I gave you the discount as well. So this is your chance to join us now if you decide to become a professional trader. If you would love to take the trading in your hands and become fully responsible and develop these nice growing equity curves and develop a stable income. Okay, so I will end the webinar right now, right away. Make sure that you guys, could you please check analysis XAU and what could happen with both scenarios in NFP? Yeah, I can check that for you, not a problem. Okay, I will check the gold. I don't trade the NFP, but I will do that for you. Just analysis. That's not based on any NFP, alright? So we on Sunday webinar, if you go back and watch the webinar on Sunday when we were talking about it, that's not a selling. Somewhere there it was the price that you should not be a seller and you should be a buyer. So you grab that potential of the profit over there. But the situation is exactly the same right away, right now, right in there. Okay, because price can go low and you should not be a buyer from as it stands right now. Nobody should be a buyer as it stands right now. When you will become a buyer once you will have a deeper correction. Okay, if it drops down, you have a more chance. Okay, so if it drops down, if you have the edge, if you have the strategy to trade, then yes, you can go for the sell. You have more chances to go for the sell on gold over there. In case if NFP will give you any volatility, but probably there will be not strong volatility today on the NFP, because usually there are not strong volatilities during those news events. Okay, if you watch these strong movements, they are not caused usually based on news. Okay, but there is the educational example. You have to understand that buying over there, it's not what you should watch. You should be watching for the sell rather, but analysis is showing that you should be a buyer over there. All right, you should be a buyer over there, and you should not be. But the rules are not for buy. This is what I'm trying to say. As it did exactly on Sunday. Okay, so as we were talking on Sunday, I was saying don't sell. That's not spot for selling. It's better for buy. What happened? Buy happened. Okay, but now the things are different because this looks like a corrective structure. This is everything fine and well. We should be watching for this movement. Okay, it doesn't matter if there will be the sell. You should not be trading the sell, but as it stands right now, there are bigger probabilities for sell than a buy. So what you'll do now? Would you take a sell? I will not. I will wait for the correction. I'll wait for any kind of correction over there, and then I will go for the buy. That's what I will do. That's my personal opinion. That's my strategy, what I will do. And I will completely ignore this sell. I'm really not interested for this sell. Because of my strategy. Strategy is showing me that there's more potential for the upside. And this looks like an expanding triangle. Impulse, then expanding triangle, and now the next impulse will appear over there. So this is what I anticipate, and I will be trading in the direction of the buy. But that's not the spot for buying. Okay, I hope you got my point of explanation over there about that analysis. It doesn't matter what will happen during the news. Okay, so I will wait for the correction and then see what they can. Yeah, that's the correct way of thinking. That's it. This is how you should think about it. Very good. Very good now. Which one is better, prop firm, fund, or using my money? It's the same. It is the same, because if you have the knowledge, if you have the skills to develop the consistently growing equity curve, it doesn't matter if you have the prop firm money or you have your own money. That's totally the same, because you have the skills and accumulating wealth, it's not a problem for you. And it really doesn't matter which money it is. Is it yours? Is it from prop firm or whatever? It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, because you're able to develop consistency with whatever amount of money, and all the money is available to you. Then it's really important to understand that it's not about account from where it is and whatever. Okay, you have to put your focus on acquiring the skill. So if you will acquire the proper skills, it doesn't matter from where this money is. It could be from your family as well. It could be from the family, prefer whatever. I took those prop firms just to test out. The point was that me and my wife were searching for the solution for our traders because they were always worried about, okay, if I acquire all the proper skills, how I will get the money, where I will get the money. And then me and my wife starts to working on this solution to find the solution for them, and then we finally find the option about prop firms. And of course, we as leaders, me and my wife, took the trading accounts to check and see if they will give us the money that we will accumulate. Okay, so we were always wanted to know if they will pay out me the money that we will make. And I took the FTMO, she took my Forex funds, and we already received the third payout. And yes, they are paying out very nicely. But what they want from you is consistency. That's what I'm always repeating. Everyone who is having the money and who will give you the money wants to see the proof. Okay, they want to see the proof that you're really stable and consistently profitable. If you have all those skills, everyone on this planet will give you the money. All opportunities will open for you. Okay, accumulating the money and becoming a really wealthy person, really rich person will not be the problem. Okay, it just requires the skills. That's all. It's so simple. It's really that simple. Nothing else. Which time frame will you recommend for a person not full-time trader? This full-time trader, it's which time frame to choose? It's really personal question. It's a good question, by the way. Which time frame will you recommend for a person not full-time trader? To answer this question, this is a very personal answer, because what you have to do, you need a strategy, you need the rules, and then once you have those rules, you have to adjust all those rules based on your lifestyle, how you live your life right now. If you are going to a job, if you have option to watch charts on the job, that's fine. If you don't have, I do recommend going the higher time frame. I always recommend to everyone who is not full-time profitable trader to stick to the higher time frames. Why? Because if you will stick to the 4 hour, okay, you have 8 hours at least to take your decision. Okay, but in 8 hours you'll have time to watch chart at least once, and that's all what it takes. Just once in 8 hours you'll have to check it and to check your rules, what to do, and make a decision. That's it. Okay, if this fits with your how you live currently, that's pretty nice. But as I assume now from the question, I assume that you are not currently full-time trader because you are having 9-to-5 job, and that's fine, that's okay. Everyone worked there, okay? Or even my traders been there. Okay, but what you have to do is just adjust your rules, adjust your trading, and then scale up. It's really easy because you will be using the same rules, almost the same rules. There will be just small adjustments once you become full-time professional trader. Say hi to your wife for us. So yeah.
Hi.
They are giving you regards.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, she's there.
Waiting.
She's waiting there nearby me. You can show up on the camera. It's totally fine. Go here. So we are waiting for.
I'm waiting to him that we go to lunch.
Yeah, we are really hungry now. So that's why I'm finishing the webinar. Slowly.
We won't wait NFP.
Yeah, we don't care about NFP. NFP, it's not for us.
Yeah. We took our trades.
Yeah, they're already running.
You should all teach your wife too, so it will be interesting.
Yeah. We both are trading. We both have trading accounts and we both are trading. We are in this business together. And it's really fine.
Twice.
So you have double profit immediately. We are making double profits.
That's why today he is cooking, so we are going to the restaurant.
Yeah, we have to go somewhere. Okay, so the challenge there is higher time frame requires more funds to trade. Yes, definitely, but it will be easier. It fits with your lifestyle more, and you will not be that stressful. You have a lot of time to take up your decision. You have
Skills.
Yeah,
People's skills.
just skill.
The amount doesn't matter.
You see, she already knows.
I learned.
She learned the lesson.
So I'm hungry.
Yeah, we are going right now. So let's finish the live streaming right there and see you everyone. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Give me the like button, please. It really means a lot to me. And make sure that you will join us on next live streaming. So take care, enjoy your day, and may the profits stay with you. Take care. Bye bye.